All right, welcome back, everybody. Many of us were literally in a fog over the weekend, unless you got above those clouds. How cool was it? In this week's WeatherWise, freezing fog blanketed much of Montana into a wintry wonderland. With not much of a winter so far, a lot of Montana looked like a magical winter wonderland over the weekend. Freezing fog made for a beautiful landscape, but also some hazardous travel conditions. Freezing fog is pretty self-explanatory. It's fog that freezes. However, the process is pretty cool, pun intended. Freezing fog occurs when the air temperature is below freezing and the water droplets in the fog become supercooled. Supercooled water droplets are super cool, pun number 2 intended. Supercooled water droplets are chilled below the freezing point but stay in a liquid state in the absence of what's called a seed crystal or nucleus. We'll get into thermodynamics another day. Over the weekend, the fog stayed in liquid form until it came into contact with a surface it could freeze on. Some surfaces that these droplets may freeze on include tree branches, telephone lines, stairs and rails, sidewalks, roads, and your vehicle. Caution should be taken if traveling through freezing fog, as black ice can form on roadways. Those flying, a thin layer of ice can form on the aircraft, making flights dangerous unless the aircraft is treated or has effective de-icing equipment. Thanks to everyone that sent in great pictures of this weekend's freezing fog. And now you're a little more WeatherWise. That was really neat, as long as you were above it, and then certainly it was neat when the fog dispersed and we saw the ice crystals on all the trees. Great.